Okay, so now we're going to talk about your classes tab. So again, you'll want to make sure that you're logged into your own student account. And again, it'll look very similar to this. And you're going to click on classes. This is where you're going to find all of your courses that you are currently scheduled for. It is important that you click on each one of your courses on a daily basis. So for example, let's go ahead and click on music, or math or science or history. You need to make sure that you are accessing each one of your courses daily. So for example, I'm in this music class and I want to find my assignments. So, and this will be the same for any course that you are in. That content tab is located right here at the top in this bar. And if you click the content tab, this is going to take you to a page that will look like this. You're going to see all of your different units or modules located right here on the left-hand side, and then you'll be able to find exactly where your assignments are over here in the middle. And then you just click right on the link, and it will go ahead and open up that specific assignment that you need to get done. It'll give you your instructions, if there's a video, if there's a reference guide, anything that you need is all going to be located right here within that unit. From here, you can also view progress. The progress tab is very important. And this just gives you a breakdown of the whole course, really. Assignments, quizzes, your checklist, how many minutes you've actually spent within the course, times visited, all that good stuff. So this is a good place to kind of check out too. Your grades tab. So when you're in a course, so I'm in music, it's going to show me my grades for music specifically. And it's nice because it gives you a breakdown of each unit or quiz or test. There's usually a feedback column, so a teacher may provide you with some feedback about a certain assignment or quiz or test. You'll see how many points you earned and the letter grade that you received. Also at the top, you're going to see a total, so what you have overall in that specific course. So that's a little summary of what your classes tab looks like when you're logged into your student account. Okay, all right, we're going to keep on going, guys. Good job.